Hello everyone, welcome back to my English video. Today I am going to talk about the topic nature. Listen to me. My name is Thuy. My full name is Phan Thuy. I live in the capital of Hanoi. It is a big city in Vietnam. I'm 19 years old. My birthday is on February 5th. I'm a student at university. Now I'm living and working in Hanoi. I'm studying at the Vietnam Women's Academy. I have a big family. There are 6 people in my family. I like talking, I like listening to music, singing, watching movies and cartoons, eating and playing sports. I like talking and relaxing with my family. We also like playing badminton together. I live in a big city in Vietnam. There is a big national park in here. That is Bavi National Park. It is 50 kilometers west of Hanoi Center. Bavi is a famous place and with beautiful scenery and cool climate. There are many bugs, colorful flowers and many trees in here. There are also many monkeys, bears, frogs and snakes. There are small mountains, waterfall and many rivers. The weather in here is cool. I often choose this place to camp with my friends. We all go to there by motorcycle. We like to sleep outside in a tent and make a campfire. We like camping, swimming and hiking there. We will prepare a lot of food for camping: rice, hot dog, bread, meats, water, fruits and juice. We like watching the sunset and looking at the starry nighttime sky together. National Park is very beautiful. Thanks for listening.